for any actual for and so ya sabi bio. I ya about you say bishop masat na medum. Na and then no the dikai no me fa and I say kese ma yemre radio station for any ye papa oda no a friend of pastor ya ado. I amuna eja amu dia ho. E say and then no ya pese ye hwe asori Ghana the way asori for no pastors no ne politicians no say na omo eko eba because it seems that 2020 ya yewrem yi akoye year bia otase dwen wa wonti ase otiase akoye say is a year of as a ye fake pastors be pie it means say whether they are fake or they are not fake and then your friend of infotech or info entertainment and news and na ye de brem ene na ye bedi kan no say ye be hwa some time back be ye papa bia your friend of Bishop Benam Jakwa or Kumewood or ye Kumewood actor enche bia obeyare na obeyare no ebi say sikedro ebi so say why say emekofa nsem bibre ebae na ekowie chire no na chese nyame na edini papa nyame asnagie no ye den of film of okoe wuye na answer na obeko no set frimpon ono so otonum a se mo bekaya otonum bia e friend no o say enumi bekaya mekire mo ono so den efrum ono so prophet na ohwemu a I say prophet no money bishop for no ne dey for bia omo free mo wu ne ye ntiase I think say recently so and then 3 days and then 3 days ya so no suffer back ye prophet back on so prophet Apreku ye ta friend prophet Apreku my daughter I say any Apreku my daughter 25 years ago woke up his painters any ho baby I na sorry don't be brave na recently video be called viral obehwe na Apreku I say one no more ensa abo enenam ama obi twa video no cry the back out I think say ya hote kakra na there may be someone say e ba ni say na Apreku my daughter especially no otimi enya edom about 25 branches in Ghana na 25 branches no within 2 years ode den ode te sa asori no start taking on 1 year 20 branches den egu ye I don't know anu ehye asem we anu ehye pa na oyi bishop so prophet Apreku e dey free wa another bishop bioma ye fe no bishop Obinim you see ono so na asem ayeden aba just enya asem ketu akra na ohwemu a ono ne dey no se na start here ni say bishop say so kan yo say wan kan o si wenya eduro for coronavirus it's for na for o si why dey wenya eduro for coronavirus enu anu no na Kennedy Ejepon ono so buy no be kan say enye no kre eno den kesi wa enye no kre kesi wa na we na bishop so ti say Kennedy Ejepon aba be kan say osofu bie nu honu mu ai wenya dey eduro for coronavirus na I think say the way a bishop no kan asem no kan ra say Kennedy Ejepon so dey onye obi a ono nya bifa obefa we di kwa na je say Kennedy so here dey ono so start say ode nsem oba na je say okan na bishop so aka Kennedy kan na bishop aka na say ye ntwuma mentwe na sisi ano de koduru ni say bishop ye ne counseling na sorry na police for ba say enya warrant na ese ye be fa no a bishop say mentiapo bishop so say mentiapo akoye Friday o say mentiapo because e chill Friday there the okwa I mean you are in the to be dem Saturday and Sunday it's no na just say or see or call inside aba na just answer on the police for aba so konum do simo no say dem obi edi or call by ya akwe de bubu o tv that why they ja police for of time no gree they call is legal hospital see be a friend say ye boa clinic so they didn't call you na ye didn't call ya omo hwe no police for gina ho che say ya ma no ye mo treating no hospital treating no kama for few days bi na omo yi no I say I could do court ye did na call ye ne call court ye say oh e see ade ye say pe obi no eden obe beli obi nim na could you imagine say obi nim aye ni aye nim say o si o wo sika obetimi de ahwe Kennedy Japan say no crow say no crow bela ye say obi nim obi me beli obi nim no ye nya adofofo emma omo ye de eme beli no adofo no edin o hwe say obi nim a owo edom owo branches ewo Ghana owo adofo no bebre na edru time a yesi epe eni ekrofom yensa abede abe beli a they can't even get somebody omo nyo obi kra mane be beli so omo nya nipa mienu e ba e ne ka ba ko na say court no de court ne kan say say obi be beli no 100,000 Ghana cedis which is 1 billion eni obi esuro obi esuro because na ekono Kennedy Japan in a friend say or they case yako na obi esuro say okobeli no a anhwa na odosura se ba kwede akodi Kennedy chem akodi ni sem odi azie but enkos ni mi ankosi no anopei menti ene say yenya nipa ba ko no a oba be beli obinim obebeli obinim na muni mare obi esiesi a beginning no a obinim eye so ntiapo na police for ba ne ho no second one we ya ba bebele no obinim awo asatia kan so din anya easy anya asem ketwa na sisi ano ye yi na Africa no kra no ye de na hye obi echi o ye de na hye obi echi na ye de na ye ko agafo asemi anu eden papa na dia me bisa me ho say eba ne sen na angel obi nim yare yi so yare o say no kro say enye no kro eba ne sen na yare etimi eden atia kan so because yati obi nim ye de nim say o angel enye obi a o yare bitime bono na eden na police ebemu na court ebemu na sisi a obi nim so ntiapo ama fo adwan ye omo because nobody knows say say ebia the foundation of the way of starting a sorry no ena ko base ye gije ne tuo ena e bone are obi antimi hu etino nye ekoso Ghana sisi ano I think say anu ade papa na me bisa mo say Kennedy Japan juma ode sini tiri so a oye sisi ano eye anase enye because you can as Ghana sorry no a whole lot you will be brave in the Bible no crack say we will have fake pastors you will fake pastors now your fake pastors are definitely no we got fake churches and they any now obey them who say we are fake and I say we any fake enti adia Kennedy Japan adia shenit ni adia shenit ni ma oye in 2020 is it good or bad eye anasa enye I think say any ya tena na ya dream ho a ye betimi aye den a church afa a dream bi ewo ho because to me there I think say when we expose the fake pastors you know any friends saying sorry no bi na say miracles bi no a ento ye ne no I think say when we expose them no I think say ne kwanso ano no me there to me there I think say ne kwanso ano adofo no asema making even another pastor ye guso a ye hwe mame hwe eyemre radio station ye ene eyemre live eyi a mo hwe ye de original news ina ebebram enye fake news original news a tese trendy ewo wiase mu niam wiase ni both Ghana, America, Canada, Germany bebia na osofo baako a ono so ne din ye friend of Ben York na se asamuti ya Manase okotena na 2 kan ono so ho sem bebre e ma che se ye kan Kennedy Japan o ya strike wo ono so ne so o ja say o ya strike wo ne so na Ben York the menti ene say anopai police fo akoso ano ano edin osofo baako ono so ye friend Ben York police fo akoso ano na making yakoso ano say o kwa control statement e police station enye say o kwa kodem after for what ase o kwa control statement enye say o kwa kodem me pese obi ebe ti ase in different way or yeah then o kwa control statement because Kennedy Japan no ama Manase a control the statement but me hwemu a ono Manase na nkasa no say police for BNI for eche no because it looks he got a lot of things to say and as you see no adia Kennedy Japan a starting no me no to me no I think say sort to aso I sort to aso because say ye ka say or ye hwehwem na ye yi fake pastors no money omo sheshe tokro na mo koje eniama whether it is true or it is not true the evidence na omo benya dey aba out no all of them need to be arrested sir they need to be arrested na omo hwehwem na yetimi yi sa atrofo no every system I believe say the whole world no you fake pastors but this year no e do Ghana so Ghana na e bia 2020 ya started enti no ya kwa Ghana for no I think say enyema isi ano isi e wo lockdown answer na lockdown we no I think say you be a lockdown kakra but the churches na so no be there omun I think so omun be but adofo no me catch you say you be a lockdown we no you see a massive percentage down as only be brave no obehu your friends congregation be brave your margin class o me dem be kwa sorry crab you because airtime papa within 5 months 2020 within 5 months just look at what is going on ubeti as bishop ubeti as prophet ubeti as pastor aden esia ye penny back so reverend obofo best no say reverend obofo nyabotre because comments be a o make here for I say the businessman be a free so what presenter na o man the presenters na eyi ne maybe aba no friend is saying onye careful na ayesa na obema na nim egu ase reverend obofo ma mention okay obi nim de ba ye no asama akope o no kan ye na Kennedy Japan eyi ano na ode osan ono obi nim no esan ebe yi ano na ye nsem bibiri twesi ahwe ne wie obofo hwe ne wie it mess us nyabotre because isi ano information na ko bani ni an say comment na make here no as if say oh direct no straight to Kennedy Japan me sure say the mechanic say nyabotre because ye nim say ye call lockdown yi friends coronavirus by obi ani tua say o de adoye de o ye obi ani tua say o ye enti no obi anka ho bone but mesrel say na tie bia no kawanu tum I made the make say kawanu tum because ankoye sa na say ye papa or sorry or no say he never lose or that adwin ani say daya or so ani say entokwa any sen obey obenyiska until you never lose. And they say obofo also say oh anya dia also be lose so na say entokwa e be see 2020 ye Ghana ha no anya entokwa ketwa adofo no de make muti ase enti no de make kan say mama nya mama entrance na yemfa yensua aniema bi kakra yensua aniema bi kakra because looking at things you know say funny say your papa Kennedy Japan and started with Bedukobi any bishop obinimu a enka ye ti okwa ye nim de ekoso ye nim de ekoso say we koji we yo ye nim but see ano o kwa sorry you have to be very careful the people that you know you go to their churches. You have to be very careful. What you say? Say yeah brother yeah owu your friend saying said Frimpong sorry Bishop Apreku my daughter Okoyi. Some time ago Apreku my daughter yes we so say no wuye e ma mo koye no interview ni e kra me kra me dey kra kasa e what you say ya kasa Apreku say oh omuye otiase ama pass over friends over station one of the stations ebe kasai my madwen kra say nka ebia as time goes on me twen no kra ba fie ha station ha na chese ono so aye dem waba be kasa na ehu de eko ene say ono so efiri mi na wo hwe the beginning of Apreku the way Apreku started sorry any pardon ever na che obi nim de Oja na sorry ho ekosha America be almost 6 months e dey asoro no o dey na sofo nketu ahyehyehye no ano o dey omo hyehye ano eja hoko America 6 months oba na chese omo afa na sorry ni na have you asked yourself what be say ho say Apreku kwan ben so no fire starting na sorry me I don't know me no meaning but bibia no e won ewie Bibia won a whether you started good or you started bad the way you ho after for much as the way you ho because what short time na mi sha satan kwa na mi sha me call spinters obehwe na o you see obi dey Apreku my daughter say asori timi ye ma na ebuso eye ma na ebuso na aya me ya papa say when timi anka the on say edu baby na me hu ni say Apreku person obeka bibi ti say manase dia okoka wo a friend saying na tu yi na Apreku person obeka bibi on say e si ne so ama o person oba out no beka say this is what I did say na me ye but ankoba ni sa akobane sa na ode koe obewi sa video here I call out recently for say 5 days or 1 week video answer no ba bewu no video na I call out no just look at this oye obi a ye Christian me ka wo maami ya ode ko twa video ya ode call out yi oye Christian and na ode phone ekosi obi so recording ode kosi obi so I record any Apreku my daughter in the way or starting any the way niama echo until call you obi oh e bia wo share Apreku kra no say bibi kra na won se ne ho akere ode wa no mo sakwa na wabo ne ho akere no ode bibi kra no apama no oni bibi kra no ma wo chia no apo bibi afa na wakoso video wakoso ode phone e si ne so why Ghana for ade say enu na ekunu e call viral no na ekunu say nye no nobody knows e say asi waju eni so wo ba ko na he waju eni so Apreku ko It is Senate bia asofo nketua na aba na friends saying more yenye Ghana nkwa but all over the world na friends say mo pese mo be bre amanya ko pon pagya mo akosoro no eye futo kese mo bia eye futo kese mo bia because Bible no aka ye wo edifo atrofo no ye wo papa na ye wo bone no. If you want a person yakopon Israel, if you want to get a blessing, a person blessing from above, meaning you have to humble yourself. You have to humble yourself. You have to humble yourself. Next week, a friend saying, may your investigation be afa osofo ba ko bi so no. Na me wia na me de no beba betudwa. Me wia me de no beba betudwa. Anu eden papa anu eden papa. O dia say anu eden papa. Enti no your friend is saying we asofofo no ne politicians issues here cause you say another thing na ha ma dwen kakra ene yes sister ba ko bi. Say me catch am say yeah program we no infotainment and news. Enti no yeah the news no eba no na the entertainment side so the eba. Yeah sister ba could be a friend of Joyce Blessing. I don't know me can house na say me pray because me nya evidence ni yi. I say oni ni kunu aware no. Me nya evidence ni yi. Enti no me try na gather evidence no. Na my dey na me dey no so I dey Abraham. Joyce Blessing. You see, I'm in say, ne sister, Joyce Blessing sister. Why not just say, and then, mitna gum, mitna, konumwa, or be frame in uncle, why they or the updates, no, amame. Na, me train I say, a quite bemwa. I am a friend, no, or the honor updates, no, upgrade, so, but say, no, and yet, and I say, time, I'm bim. I'm a young cat, and also one same one. Yet, Nasi, a year and the weaker. Yedi eno so bebrem nti enu ma adofo no se na me kan no eyemre station ukọ eyemre radio so a eno so obeti enka ho na de me ka cha mo ni se mo ma ehwe ehun so yi pa ade ba ko ni se yewo bibi a friend no me refi edina ye de ema no ayimu but what I'll tell you is say when you start slowly na odin paibo e ka ho a oye de okọ wenim but say o start slow na oye say competition obi e o wenim nti no o pese o fro no a wenim begu ase papa and then you can say obinim say or wo feel so wo hospital obi enim na me mesua dia fa papa I have learned a lot mesua dia fa papa because I didn't know say me pray me obi pray sika say nipa na konim do I know where the person started from I ain't find nipa na started free and he found started free and they won't worry you see angel you see nya and taban na dia mama za na wetu because ya de wakasa ase na so you see nya taban nya wings dia mama za na wetu and count abotre me no men kase you a fake pastor or whether you are genuine or fake but the echo ebe anu eden nanu me hwe me hwe obinim program ba ko bi na friend say obi say obi say obi ewu na de na ba beto ho nipa na ewu na de na beto ho na obi wu a say obi wu hospital a enya nka motu na ka de ne ko ba obi nim so betima de nyane no obi nim so betima nyane no am I de nipa ne beto ho ina yɛ de onya ne no what do you say whether it is true or it is not true mama you're very very careful because see the way eniama ɛkɔ no ye say ye be yi moto back what do you say it's mama you're very 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 careful before say ebe to aso no me kwa kojenkra mama me just a seconds na me kan no we ye emre station mo be san ehu ye wo emre radio me kwa kojenkra to me ba ye be sa to aso